Hey guys, John here, working on the Mercury Mountaineer again. Today it's the antenna mast replacement, and I got the mast out. It is a little bit of a pain in the butt. It tends to stick in here. Little PV blaster and some persuasion with a pair of pliers and a hammer got it popped out of there. But then what I ended up having was in the spool a piece of the antenna was broken, and here's the piece of the antenna that was still in that little spool area there. And to fix that, you have to get the antenna, basically this whole mess out. And the only way you can really do it is by removing the inner fender well. You can't get at it from the door jamb. So it's not too bad once you get this wheel well out of the way, and it's just one bolt and it'll come out, and then there's just a little bracket here that holds it on. Two screws hold it to here. When you take this thing apart, it's sealed up pretty good. So you're gonna have to get like a knife in here and then a screwdriver and just gently pry, working around. Once you get the crap out of the spool, the old piece, then it just goes back together. This goes on here, the cover goes back on, and then you can just put it back on using the procedure that's outlined in the little instructions. And what the one brand I used was who did I use here? It doesn't say on their instruction sheet who they used, but I got it off of Amazon, and it's a company in Wisconsin. So it was, other than that, it wasn't too bad to do. And like I said, this was the hard part. The hard part actually was getting this broken loose. And some PB blaster, grabbing the antenna with a pair of pliers, and then banging on the pliers with a hammer took care of that. So now I just got to put this thing back together, and if there's any more problems I'll make another video, but this looks pretty straightforward at this point. Thanks. Oh, once again, this was the 1989 Mercury Mountaineer.